Damn, Missy Mari got beats.
Hello guys, another day for another workout. As you can see, limpyo gid kay ang gym karon, ang pound for pound kay nang hinlo si coach. And nabaguhan ko kay limpyo ra kayo. So gi-arrange niya ang mga gamit. So pag karon mag warm up sa ko. Then mag leg day lang ko karon. So okay na. Alright guys, nahuman na ako ang warm-up workout in 3 rounds na 7 minutes. The usual lang ko na ginabuhat diri. And karon dili day ko mag leg day. Chest day ko karon. So kaya dako na daw akong chest nga tubigon. And magsugod na ko pero magpahaway sa ako kadyot. Mga 5 minutes. Good to go na din ko. Alright guys, nagsugod na ko sa akong chest workout and naka 3 rounds ako or 3 sets. Kuan lang 60 kilos lang tanan ng akong gi-aswat kay dili man ko pabugat, pa firm naman ko or pa-tone lang sa muscles kung naay muscles. And maura gyapon guys, ang last set or last round na workout ng akong videohan. So, enjoy!
broken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I
Okay guys, nahumanan ako akong chest workout karon and humanon ako akong workout karon with a abs workout or core workout. Pero di na niyo makitan guys. So pagkuan na ni siya kanang sana extra workout na din ako karon. Dili na ako manon akong vlog guys. Salamat sa inyong pagtanaw. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the bell and click the bell down below for more videos and updates. And have a good day. Kadush. See you in the next video. Bye.